matchup kahit na meron kayong twice to beat disadvantage?
Yeah, again, nakaraos, no, nakalusot kami ulit. No? I think this is our fourth straight time to make the semis. But we did, ang dami naming ginawang mali. No? We gave up 25 offensive rebounds. We gave up 19 turnovers. We lost fast break points. No? We felt that fast break is our game, pero talo kami ron. But we still won the game. No? Ito yung pinag-uusapan namin, no, sa locker room. Just play our brand of game, which is, we call it buwis buhay basketball. Parang effort lang, grit lang. If something's going on na mali or you can't get your rhythm in the game, just put on the effort, just play on grit, be tough. Doon lang namin nakuha, no? Pati yung first game namin, doon din namin nakuha. So, we just play our brand of game. If things are not working out, just make the best effort. No? That's what we did tonight.
Thank you, Coach Cheng. Now, Santi, ikaw rin, you were all over the floor, shooting, rebounding, and defending, making timely shots para lang makabawi kayo sa Embex. Anong klaseng tulong yung nakuha mo mula sa iyong mga teammates na nakatulong sa performance mo at makakatulong ngayon papunta na kayo sa semifinals for the fourth time?
Like Coach said na laging aggressive lang kami lagi. Nandito naman ako para ready para itulong sa team. Anong kailangan, doon ako lagi. And then, shoutout kay Mike, no? Mike Malonzo kasi siya yung parang
Bumuhay.
Bumuhay sa amin nung last nung itong position na to. So, big shoutout sa kanya.
Thank you, Santi. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Ang galing mo, Eric Tanas!
Wala dito. Mas sikat na sa amin yun. Mas sikat pa rin
Coach, congrats. Coach, fourth straight time series, but with the against PNP. Siyempre, Coach, masaya rin na series kayo, but gusto nyo hindi lang ang seeding nyo this time.
Yes, yun naman ang namin eh. Parang motto namin na just show up, be there. One of these days, maybe you'll get to the next next level. So, andito lang kami. Basta susubukan lang namin kung ano yung kaya namin. No? TNT, champion team, going for a Grand Slam. But, andiyan kami, lalabanan namin sila. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan yung aabutin namin. Yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, bigay nyo lang lahat, todo nyo lang lahat, every game. We run our style of play, we run our system, put 100% effort into it, bahala na kung ano yung resulta. So, ganun lang kami.
Santi, nilisip mo si Mike Malonzo na baka hard worker si Mike consider, hindi naman siya yung ilalang player out of MVP na papakita siya ng mga ganitong minuto throughout the conference.
Well, sa practice nakikita namin siya. Nag-extra work siya lagi. Siya yung maaga lagi. Nandun siya, nag-shooting na agad. So kami naman naganahan na mag-extra work. No? Kaya talagang todo bigay kami sa extra work.
Coach, on Mike also.
Nung nakita namin si Mike, I don't know kung if people notice, when we signed him up for 3 years. No? We did not sign him up for 1 year because nakita na namin agad na may potential to. No? So, hindi na namin pinag-usapan kung 1 taon ba yan, 2 taon ba yan. Sabi namin 3 taon muna yan. Agad yan, no? sa atin. Nakita na namin masipag, matapang, offense, defense, malakas ang katawan. So, may potential naman talaga yung bata.
Coach, do you feel like you have a better chance now na wala si RHJ na best keeper?
Siyempre, yun ang iisipin mo. No? Pero pagdating ng laban, pagka nandiyan na yun, TNT, pagkakaharap mo na sina Uftana, sina Bogoy, no? Tapos may heading pa sila ngayon. Akala mo nagpapalakas si RSJ. Pero pag nandyan na sila, all Filipino, malakas pa rin sila. So, hindi mo masasabi yun. I think they have a purpose. Mahirap yung kalaban mo na merong pinupuntirya talaga na gusto nilang gawin. Pero meron din kaming purpose. No? So, tignan natin kung sinong makakagawa nung kanilang nung kanilang makaka-achieve nung kanilang goal. No? Pero siguro sa dami ng beses na nakalaban namin sila, will be a little bit more comfortable this time. Siguro medyo alam na rin namin kung ano yung mas makakaganda doon sa game plan namin. Pero iba talaga yung talent nila. Ano naman talaga yun. Given naman talaga na it's a very talented team.
Coach, nung naalala ko kasi nung interview namin si Coach Chot after dun sa namin sa elimination round, he said na he expects you na makakaharap nila ulit kayo down the line. Do you feel the same way na in order to get over the hump, kailangan
Yes. No, kasi kami wala naman kaming dadaan ng iba eh. No? Ang dadaanan mo lang naman diyan TNT Ginebra at San Miguel na yun yung di ba? So I'm really proud of these guys because now TNT is there, San Miguel is there, Ginebra is there, and then Rain or Shine is there. Sino ba kami? Diba? Parang gate crusher lang kami rito. No? Ang daming mas malaking mga kumpanya, mas maraming resources. Pero kami nakarating dito. So, pinabili lang kami ng suka, nakarating kami rito eh. Pintura, kasama na. No? So, gate crusher kami, nagpa-party sila, pinapasok kami sa gate eh. Hindi, magpa-party na rin kami. Di ba? Ganun lang yun.
Would you expect na parang i-prevent ng Index si Clarito from the boards from getting the boards after his game of performance?
Mahirap i-prevent si Clarito from the boards eh. May siya eh, meron siya talagang natural na instinct. Hindi ko naman tinuruan rebound yun. Kahit doon sa mga pinanggalingan niyang team, ganun na talaga siya. So, yes, you can put in extra effort against him, but it's natural for him na talagang, ang tawag namin sa kanya, level 3 rebounders yan. No? Kahit na i-box out mo, they will put on a second and third effort to get the rebound. So, those are special players yung mga ganun. Hindi maraming ganun, kukunti lang yung ganun.
Coach, konting satisfaction for the outstanding performance in the Nets.
Wala. Yung satisfaction, wala. Gusto ko lang makarating ng semis. No? Kasi wala kaming bad blood, wala kaming samahan ng loob. Yung NLEX team, ang tingin ko, malapit na rin yung panahon nila. Ang hirap na nilang talunin ngayon. No? Mga bata, nandyan na. I think they put in the proper personnel, the proper style of play. So, credit to Coach Jong and his staff and to Boss Ronald for putting together a very competitive team. Malapit na yung panahon nila.
Coach, may added motivation ba kasi Rain or Shine wala pa kung Pilipina tapos ito parang nag-champions mo yung bang yung wala kung Pilipina tapos ngayon may chance ba?
Hindi ko pa I'm really not distracted by mga ibang thoughts na ganun. Siguro ngayon ang gusto ko lang mag-focus. Pahinga ng konti, mag-relax ng konti. Tapos on Monday, we start preparing for the semifinals. No? So I don't give way to mga distractions in terms of kung nangyari na, no? Wala ka na magagawa, you have no control over events or things, then just let it go. Just let them go.
I think, ano lang yung possible matchup mo against your talents or Si BGR.
Kahit naman sino.
Kahit sino, pwede.
Kahit sino dun. Kasi si Calvin may mukha naman. Parehas naman kami ng mukha. So,
Kahit
kung
magpalitan kayo mga
Oo,
mukha,
papalitan
pwede.
yung mukha, pwede. So, ready lang kami.
And that sums up our